northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Royersford, or 17 miles north of West Chester, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Another storm in central Montgomery County crossing into Bucks County may also turn severe. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, Quickertown, Percy, Doylestown, Souderton, Collegeville, Royersford, Chalfont, Trapp, Hatfield, Dublin, Schwenksville, Green Lane, Fricks, Spring Mount, Shadarville, Skipping, and Stowe. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 27 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, and Montgomery.